Since it's Holy Week and I remember my grandmother, we will only be able to try these 3 dishes on a Good Friday. One morning is the salmon mayonesa. It's basically supposed to be fasting, di ba? Salmon, canned salmon with mayonnaise, and then you fold it into a loaf of bread, ganyan kainin mo. And then lunch will be the sinigang na sugpo sa kamyas. The biggest sugpo, the biggest tiger prawns that you can ever have. And then dinner will be the bacalao. Bacalao, it's an imported Spanish cod. And then you flake it. Basically, you flake it and then you cook it in olive oil with green bell pepper and olives. But I remember asking my lola, sabi ko, Lola, tama ba yun na fasting ang food? Parang ang mas mahal ang pagkain natin pag Good Friday. Parang sabi ko, parang hindi tama ang concept of Good Friday. Parang ganon. So, tumatawa lang siya. But somehow, I look forward to Good Friday because of those dishes. I have so many vignettes of memories with my grandmother. So, my memories of food is her.